The infrastructure mess and the pothole-riddled roads on Bangalore has given a new and fresh ammo to the BJP to hold protest against the Sidda government. Now, the BJP is staging a statewide Rasta Roko protest across Karnataka over the pothole menace. The protest is being carried out simultaneously in all 224 assembly constituencies of Karnataka. The BJP workers in Bengaluru's Yelanhanka held a symbolic demonstration by filling potholes themselves on the streets to highlight what the party calls government negligence. Local MLA S.R. Vishwanath led the protest and joined the workers in filling the potholes. And those are the visuals on your screens right now. Meanwhile, in Bengaluru, road blockades are scheduled to be staged in every constituency, with the leader of the opposition, R. Ashoka, joining the protest. BJP State President B.Y. Vijendra is also going to lead the protest in Shivamogga. The party says that the blockade is to pressure the government into taking urgent measures to fix the state's crumbling roads. We'll be getting you some big breaking news at this point in time. The Karnataka government should fix potholes or resign is the demand put forth by the BJP. They maintain that the government is not using allotted funds properly. The LOP in Karnataka Assembly, R. Ashoka, has spoken exclusively to News 9 and he has questioned where is the money that the state government had been allotted for road repair. The government should not ask anyone to move out of Bengaluru, that the Karnataka government should fix the potholes or resign. Strong warning issued by the leader of the opposition in Karnataka, R. Ashoka, who spoke exclusively to my colleague Muhammad Wajiullah. Let's take a listen.
The situation of potholes is so bad in Bengaluru that apart from the government, even the opposition is on the ground trying to fill these potholes. Right now at near Kamakti Theatre, the BJP leader R. Ashok has come here and filled potholes. Sir, you've come here to fill potholes. This is what you've done. Can you just tell us what you've done, sir?
Morning we came to Ring Road. This is the biggest road in Bangalore. Ring Road. All over Bangalore, this is the only one road. More than a lakh vehicle every day traveling this area. Scooter, car, bus, everything. This has become not a pothole. Potholes mean 1 feet, 1 feet. This is not a 10 feet, 10 feet holes is there. So the entire Bangalore become the pothole. Entire Bangalore not walkable, not vehicle friendly. Nothing is there. This is the worst ever seen in the history of Bangalore and history of Karnataka. This type of roads never seen, because the Congress saying no, we are no money, we are giving free to public 2,000 rupees. That's why no money. That is their answer, I think.
Sir, but in the last 1 week, 1 month, they've said 1,000 crores also we've sanctioned, extra 450 crores we have given. We have given every MLA 20-25 crores. They are saying they are giving money, but on the ground it's not seen.
Where is the money? D.K. Kumar have to put the torch and find out where is the money. Your government is pauper. There is no money.
In the treasury also is not there.
You are putting the torch to treasury. There is nothing. You can't get a single MP. Single MP, we can't get the money from the government. That's why all roads will become bad, worst. Every day, more than thousands of people injured in this road.
Sir, companies, you are talking about Ring Road. Companies are saying that they will leave Bangalore. In Pina, industries are saying they are unhappy because of potholes. Every sector of the society somewhere is unhappy in this, sir.
So, D.K. Kumar is giving a threat to IT people. You want to go outside, you can go. Now the people who traveling in the vehicle, and the motorbike, car, they are also threatening the government. You have a guts to tell. Please tell all the vehicle owners, you also go out from the Bangalore. You have a guts? Say, no, you have a no guts. So people paying the tax to corporation. There is a road tax, there is a petrol tax, there is a diesel tax, alcohol tax, milk tax, stamp duty tax, more than 65,000 crores of rupee every year they are paying. You are not spending 10 crores, not spending 10 crores for the road development. I think that's why the people hesitating today, all over Karnataka, we are hesitating. The people, public also hesitating.
Sir, you are in Bangalore for 50 years. I am in here for 30 years, sir. We have seen the weather of Bangalore. It rains all the time. Is it right to blame the weather for the roads, sir?
Congress people blame the weather. No, sun is not good, moon is not good, trees are not good. This is the thing. They are threatening the nature. Nature is not good. What can I do? They are telling BJP government, last BJP government is not good. This city built by the Kempegowda, you can say Kempegowda not build a good city. You can say that is the Congress style. I think this is there is no money. There is a pauper government. That's why there is no development last 2.5 years. There is no development last 2.5 years. All the potholes open at a time open.